So here we go again. Just got the message that it has been lifted. Well, it hasn't been lifted. It's just standing there. And I know it hasn't been lifted because I've seen it all the time with my surveillance camera. So again, what we need to do, type in our key, settle down, push, that's it. There's no reason except for the sensor that says it was lifted being faulty. There's no reason why it should say it has been lifted. It wasn't. As you can see, perfectly dry weather. No reason why I should stop in the first place. So that's a little update. We have had this error also yesterday. And the basic problem is, while you do get a message that this has happened, you have no way of telling it, well, ignore that, please keep going. You have to walk over to it physically. So not as in remote operable, it's not. Oh yeah, and immediately after that, shortly after that, we had a problem. The next problem, it was sending information that it had problems with the backwards collision sensor, which it didn't. But anyway, I wasn't even able to restart it while I was going over to it because it just kept telling me I need to be serviced. So I moved it back into its loading station. And then 2 hours later, I decided, let's try if we can now start it. And yeah, we were able to start it. But as you can see on this video that I took from my surveillance camera, it doesn't really start. It does something. And what it actually does is it tries to move out. But there's nothing in the way, as you can see. And it finally ended up telling me, while I was looking at it, telling me that now it has again a problem with a backwards collision sensor. Here you can see that it is going on error, which I can't really understand because it shouldn't have that. It was just roaming a bit in the garden. So yeah, again, this thing does really not cut it. Thanks for watching. I hope Husqvarna is going to fix this.